This will be maybe 4 or 5 or 6. And that's a good sign, because it means that it will taste good. It's done, and it's our dinner time. Hi guys, it's me again, Dadabear. Today I'm gonna prepare another meal, and this time it's a little bit different because this is a soup, and it's a tomato soup. And for the tomato soup, the ingredients are not many, only few. We will need chopped onion, garlic. This is ginger, and the tomato is here. Also tomato, this is like mashed tomato, and this is, you can actually see the picture. The other is like more solid, and the other one is still, you can see the tomato. I will use both of these. With that tomato soup we will eat bread, baguette bread. This is frozen, I will put in the oven. We have a bread and tomato soup today. That's the dinner. Alright, let's start. So, what we will do first is to fry a little bit that onion. I will put it here. There's a little bit oil here in the pot. Now I will first put this garlic and red onion. It's red onion. Because that's just what we happen to have now. I think normal, regular onion is okay also. If you don't like onion, then don't put any onion. It's easy. But now we will just first we will fry that onion a little bit. Shouldn't be any brown, just a little bit. Like that. So it will get a little bit like that. I will do. Fry the onion a little bit. Actually, I forgot some ingredients that I'm gonna also use. Add some oil. I could use coconut cream. If I want to make a little bit oriental twist, I would use coconut cream and a lot of ginger, maybe chili, but this is not so much that direction, so I will actually use, this time I will use just normal cream, and I will use a little bit oregano. Now the onion is here, just like that. Now I will add the tomato. I will add both the boxes. This will be maybe 4 or 5 or 6 doses, or how you say, plates, dinners. Another one also. Actually, I don't even use tomorrow, because I will make pizza tomorrow. So I will leave like maybe this much here for the pizza. So one more like that. That's it. And I will probably need to add water later. It little bit depends what kind of soup you like. If you like soup that it's thicker, then don't add any water, but I will add a little bit. Now I will put it in the mild temperature, maybe number 3. It can be there like maybe 15 minutes. And now this one also goes there. The ginger I will put there. Like that. And the spices we're gonna use later. Of course need to add salt. I will add also a little bit sugar. Then ginger maybe also. Garlic maybe no need to garlic because there is already garlic. Pepper, black pepper, and can add also tomato ketchup. It depends. If you like to have a little bit sweeter and a little bit vinegar taste, you will add ketchup, or even you can add a little bit vinegar. It's up to you really. So 10 or 15 minutes has passed, and what I put here earlier is now boiling nicely. I have added already a little bit water, and it will need a little bit water. I can see already it's becoming, well, not much, but just a little bit. Here are the ingredients I'm going to add. Let's check them. Cheese is good. Philadelphia cheese is fine, but I would actually prefer something a little bit stronger. But this is okay. Then the spices. Worcester sauce is good. I will use this a little bit. If you don't have Worcester sauce, you can use normal soy sauce and a little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon vinegar. It's kind of substitute. And then salt, of course. It could be this kind of herb salt, which is nice, but normal salt will go also. I'm not gonna put both, just I will choose one. I will use this one. Then the cream I already mentioned I will add, and water. I will add a little bit water, not much, but just because when it's boiling the water is coming out, so I will add a little bit like that. Let's start with the salt. Good amount, I think, is like this much. You could actually, I forgot that one. That actually goes nicely with this soup. Wait. This one. Then, if you use this, then be careful with the salt, because these are salty already. So I have to check. Maybe I will use only half now. Half of this. Then I will add pepper and the cheese. Little by little it will become ready. Pepper. This is black pepper. So just like that. Of course, I would like to put a lot of chili, but Mama Bear doesn't like so much chili, so I will skip that now. Then to make it a little bit, because tomato is quite acid, quite sour, so I will add a little bit sugar. So maybe it's enough. And this one. Okay, and then we can finally add some cheese and cream to make it nice and a little bit softer. So, I think that's it. How much to put cream, it's really up to you. I will put like that. So color will actually change clearly. When it's like red, it will become more like pink. And that's a good sign, because it means that it will taste good. And of course, the more you add cream, the better it will taste. And now we will just boil maybe 5 minutes more. That's it.
Cut?
Yeah.
Okay.
The soup is done and it's our dinner time. Let's see what the younger will think about tomatoes. I'm not sure, but we will try. And we have some bread. Herb and garlic bread, or is it garlic and herb? I forgot. This is the frozen bread. I just put it in the oven. Here, that goes there. And this is Isaac, Leo. It's soup time. Yum yum. And this is Mama Bear's soup. You can dip the bread here in the soup, like this, and then use the bread. Okay guys, I'm so happy we are done. Everybody likes the soup, and now it's just time to eat, and see you next time. Bye bye.